In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight an entire row a specific color based on a cell value in Google Sheets. This is a handy technique for organizing your data visually, making it easier to understand and analyze at a glance. Let's dive right in. First, begin by highlighting the range in your sheet where you want to apply this color coding rule. This tells Google Sheets where to look for the conditions you've set. So go ahead and click on the top left corner of your range and drag to the bottom right corner to select the entire area you want covered. Once you've selected your range, head over to the toolbar at the top of your screen. Look for the Format option. You'll find it there among other controls. Click on Format, and from the drop-down menu that appears, you'll want to select Conditional Formatting. This feature allows you to apply formatting rules that can dynamically change based on the data in your spreadsheet. After opening the Conditional Formatting pane on the right side of your screen, you need to choose how you want to set up your rule. For this task, you're going to use a custom formula, so from the Format Rules section, select Custom Formula Is. This option gives you the flexibility to define your own rule using Google Sheets formulas. Now let's create the formula that will highlight rows in green for the freshman in your dataset. We're looking to identify rows where the class level in column C is labeled as 1 freshman. So we'll start by writing an equal sign. Follow this with the column letter, which is C in this case, and the $sign to lock that column reference, making sure we focus on column C specifically. After the $sign, type the first row number of your selected range. Let's say it's 2, so it should look like this. $2. Next, type another equal sign, this time followed by 1 freshman within quotation marks. This sets up the rule as, if a row in column C is equal to 1 freshman, then the condition holds true. Google Sheets will understand this formula and know when to apply your rules. Finally, choose a color to fill the row when the condition is met. Click on the Formatting Style section to pick the green shade that represents freshman for you. Once you're satisfied with your selection, simply hit Done. And just like that, any row with a student in their freshman year is now highlighted in green, allowing for an organized and visually intuitive way to scan through your data. This technique can be adapted for different categories and colors, giving you endless possibilities for customization. While this example uses green for freshmen, you can tailor it to suit your data's needs best. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.